For this show, we need to do some measuring of these trapezoids to see if they are similar. So let's start with angle A. Now, line up my protractor, and the angle appears to be about, let's go with 62 degrees. Angle E is 60 degrees. So 60 might be pretty darn close then. Angle D. On the smaller shape, it's tricky. Angle D, I'm going to say, is 120 degrees. And angle H, I'm also going to go with 120 degrees. So, knowing that, I'm going to actually change this to 60. There is some room for error when measuring, especially a smaller diagram. So, angle A is 60 degrees and angle E is 60 degrees. So we're going to call those similar or corresponding. Angle D actually, my bad. We're supposed to be looking at different angles here. This is not a summary. So, we've looked at A, we've looked at D, let's look at B and C. And then B is going to correspond to F, and C will correspond to G. So, angle B is 60 degrees. Angle F is also 60 degrees. Angle C is 120. And angle G is also 120. So in this situation, we have corresponding angles. Are all the corresponding angles equal? Yes, they are. In quadrilaterals, that does not mean that your shapes are similar if all of your angles match. This is a good example of this. So let's look at our lengths then. AB is about 19 millimeters. EF is, what is that, 38 and a half? I'll try and be precise on these. B and C is about 9. FG is about 24. CD is about 9.5. GH is about 9.5 as well. AD is about 9.5, and EH is about 24. So right away, I notice that this produces a scale factor of 1. None of the others do that. So I know immediately that the scale factor is not the same on all of them. This one, 19 and 38, is probably supposed to be 19 and 38, so it's 0.5. 9 and 24 gives us 0.375. 9.5 and 24 gives us about 0.396. So none of these actually match up. So no, it doesn't have the same scale factor. So the question is, Is trapezoid ABCD similar to trapezoid EFGH? No. The angles all correspond, that works. But our side lengths are different. The side lengths do not match using a common scale factor.